What if I told you your tiny urban garden could be a secret powerhouse? Imagine, just for a second, tomatoes thriving right next to basil, or beans actually boosting the growth of corn. All this, and you don't even need acres of land. Today, we're uncovering the fascinating science of companion planting, and I'll show you how to design a miniature ecosystem that really maximizes every single inch of your compact space. Whether you've got a balcony, a rooftop, or just a sunny windowsill, this works absolutely anywhere. So, what exactly is companion planting? It's all about pairing plants that naturally help each other out. Some plants repel pests, some improve soil health, and others provide shade, support, or even extra nutrients. In a small urban garden, where space is, pretty limited, companion planting lets you stack functions. You grow more food, fight fewer pests, and keep your garden healthier, all without chemicals. Think of it like designing roommates. Some live together perfectly, others, not so much. Let's go through some high-impact combos that work especially well in tight spaces. Tomatoes, basil, and marigolds. Basil repels pests and even enhances tomato flavor, while marigolds add color and scare away nematodes and aphids. That's just perfect for balcony containers. Then there's carrots and onions. Onions' strong smell hides carrots from carrot flies, and carrots break up soil for onions. Works beautifully in window boxes. How about beans, corn, and squash? It's like a mini version of the Three Sisters. Corn provides a stalk for beans to climb, beans fix nitrogen to feed corn, and squash shades the soil to retain moisture. In urban settings, you can swap big corn for dwarf corn, or even tall sunflowers. And finally, lettuce, radishes, and cucumbers. Lettuce enjoys cucumber's shade. Radishes loosen the soil to help cucumbers spread. This combo is ideal for vertical trellises with greens at the base. Now, not every pairing is a match made in heaven. Some plants actually compete or attract the same pests. Here are the bad neighbors. Tomatoes and potatoes. Both get blight, and it spreads fast. Beans with onions or garlic, they stunt each other's growth. Corn and tomatoes. These two attract the same destructive worms. Cabbage family with strawberries. They fight for nutrients. Knowing these avoid combos will definitely save you a lot of frustration. Here's where companion planting really shines for urban gardens. Vertical gardening is great. Grow cucumbers or beans up a trellis, and then plant shade-loving lettuce or herbs underneath. For intercropping, tuck fast-growing radishes between slower crops like carrots or peppers, and you'll harvest the radishes before the others even need the room. With container layering, put tall plants in the middle, medium plants around the edge, and trailing plants cascading down the sides. That way, a single pot can hold 3 types of food without overcrowding. And don't forget about the pollinator boost. Flowers like nasturtiums, alyssum, and calendula, even in a city, bring in bees and butterflies that really help increase your yields. Let me give you a plug-and-play layout for your urban garden. In container 1, put a tomato in the center, basil around it, and marigolds on the edge. For container 2, have beans climbing a bamboo stake with lettuce at the base. Container 3 is a mix of carrots and onions. And for a vertical planter, let cucumbers climb while radishes and spinach grow beneath. With just a balcony and a few pots, you'll have a garden that's productive, pest-resistant, and honestly, pretty beautiful. Companion planting isn't just about saving space. It's about creating a living system where every plant helps another. Even in the middle of a city, you can design a mini ecosystem that thrives in harmony, gives you fresh food, and makes the most of every square inch. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more small space gardening tips. Drop a comment below. What's one plant pairing you'd love to try in your urban garden? Until next time, happy planting. And remember, even the smallest garden can be mighty.